Pesto. To make pesto, you will need fresh basil, pine nuts, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic, salt, and pepper. In an ungreased, non-stick skillet over medium heat, toast the pine nuts until they are golden. While the nuts are toasting, shake the pan so that they do not burn. After toasting, transfer the nuts to a bowl or plate to cool. Pull the washed and dried basil leaves from the stalks, dropping them into a bowl as you proceed. You will need a substantial amount of fresh leaves for the pesto. Next, prepare the garlic. Slice off the ends of each garlic clove. Peel the cloves with a sharp knife and your fingertips. After peeling the garlic, slice each garlic clove in half and then into smaller pieces. Place in a small prep bowl and set aside. Using a cheese grater, grate a large piece of Parmesan until you have the amount called for in the recipe. Using a chilled block of cheese is best for grating. Fresh Parmesan will impart a rich flavor to the pesto sauce. Next, place the shredded cheese in a clean bowl and set aside. All ingredients have been prepared and are now ready for blending. First, add a healthy layer of fresh basil leaves to the bottom of your processing bowl. Gently press down on the leaves to make room for the rest of the ingredients. Next, add the chopped garlic pieces. Then, add the toasted pine nuts. Make the top layer a generous portion of the grated Parmesan cheese. Season the mixture with freshly ground pepper and a sprinkle of sea salt. Pour olive oil over all of the ingredients in the processor bowl. Refer to the recipe for the proper amount. Place the cover over the filled processor bowl and lock into place. Run the processor until all ingredients are chopped finely and the oil has been incorporated. Stop the processor and check the texture and flavor of the pesto. Add more oil if necessary. The pesto should be a smooth, creamy mixture with a beautiful green color. Serve the freshly made pesto tossed with linguine or the pasta of your choice.